How do you become a real estate agent? What company should I join? What's the difference between an independent firm and a franchise? How is a company going to help me be successful? These are all questions we answer at our monthly agent open house here at our office at 5547 Veterans Parkway. It's an open invitation to learn about how a career in real estate could be right for you. It's also a chance to learn that it may not be the best career move for you. Real estate's tough, but joining the right company can help you build a successful business. If you want to learn more about how Bickerstaff Parm is different than the other companies in town, visit our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, in the search bar type in Bickerstaff Parm, and you'll see our orange infinity icon. Click on our channel. Love for you to subscribe. View the playlist titled Business Meetings. We record all of our business meetings here where we help agents with their personal philosophy, mindset, sales strategies, negotiation. We help them stay relevant but also ahead of the competition by sharing insight with how they can be successful and build a business that will thrive in any real estate market. So, encourage you to learn more about how we're different than the other companies in town by visiting our website, but also our YouTube channel. And if you'd like to listen to our podcasts, you can go to the iTunes Store or Google Play and type in Bickerstaff Parm as well. I'm Reynolds Bickerstaff, and at Bickerstaff Parm, we're focused on creating your best experience.